Welcome the R channel. Today we how to cancel your service with RCN, detailed guide step by step clearly. To cancel your service with RCN, begin by gathering all necessary account information. This includes your account number, phone number associated with the account, and any other verification details. Next, visit the RCN website and locate the customer service section. Alternately, you can call RCN's customer service directly at the designated phone number found on their site. Prepare to explain that you wish to cancel your service. A representative will likely ask for your account information for verification. Be clear and concise about your decision to cancel. If you are canceling due to service issues or dissatisfaction, mention these reasons, as they may help improve their services. Ask about any final bills, equipment returns, and possible termination fees. Take detailed notes during the conversation for your records. If the representative offers a retention deal, consider if it aligns with your needs. If you decide to proceed with the cancellation, confirm any next steps required from your end. After the call, ensure you receive a confirmation email or reference number for the cancellation. Make a note of when the service will officially end. Return any rented equipment to an RCN store or follow the shipping instructions provided. Keep all documentation related to your cancellation for future reference. After your service is canceled, monitor your bank statements for any unexpected charges. If charges appear, contact RCN customer service immediately. This process should help you successfully cancel your service with RCN. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.